Today I'm going to share with you how I make churros. Churros originated in Spain and Portugal, and they are traditionally served with champurrado, hot chocolate, or dulce de leche. Let's go! To get started, you're going to need a medium saucepan, and I add 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup butter, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Bring mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I just mix that really fast so the mixture comes together and is smooth. Transfer the mixture to a large mixing bowl and let cool for around 5 minutes. I'm adding 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the mixture and just mixing till the dough is smooth. Next, I cut a piece of parchment paper to pipe the churros onto. I am using a Ziploc bag in place of a piping bag and just inserting my churros dip. Next, I transfer the dough into the piping bag. And since Valentine's Day is coming up, I decided to experiment with a few hearts. We usually heat our deep fryer to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and I fried the churros till they turned a light golden color. I made some fresh icing sugar and added some cinnamon. Then I just dipped the churros in and set them aside. And that's a wrap. We're done making churros. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And until next time. Adiós, amigas. Disfrutan tus churros.